What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so now we're dividing two rational, two radicals, I should say. We're dividing two radicals, but in the direction it says use rational exponents. All right, to write this as a single radical expression. All right, so if I was to use rational exponents, remember when I talked about the sun and the grass and the tree and what grows under the grass versus what is above the grass, right? So above the grass is power, below the grass are roots, all right? And don't forget that this y here is really raised to the first power. Same thing with this y here. So what I really have here is I have a y raised to the 1/4 power over or divided by y raised to the 1/5 power. And the 5 goes on the bottom because below the grass is the roots, and this is known as a root or index. All right. So what do I do with these two fractions with the same base? Well, that will be that I would take the 1/4 and subtract the 1/5. Well, what do I need in order to add or subtract fractions? I need common denominators, so the sisters have to come into play. Check my denominators. Those are both 20s. Awesome. So what I have now is y to the 5/20 minus a 4/20. So that's going to give me a y to the 1/20. Well, when I look at that, again, when do I give it back in radical form versus a rational exponent form? Well, in the radical form, since I'm given a radical form, I have to give it back in radical form. So I have to convert this back to radical form. Well, what is my root? It's a 20. And then y to the first power. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice D. And there we go. Hope that helps.